Hello guys, it's me Mumitrahim, and in today's video I will show you how you can easily make your own DIY smart lock for your computer. Of course, it is very useful when your friends or your family members are near on your computer whenever you try to log in on your desktop. Let's start the video. For making this project we will need an Arduino Uno or Nano. You can use Nano, a relay modular, of course one channel, but I don't have, so because of that I am using 4 channel, an RFID RC522 modular, some jumper wires, and 12-volt DC jack, some small wires or cables, and of course a box or an enclosure. At first we have to connect all the components together, and the connecting method or the information I have given below the description box. You can check on the description box. The main part of the video or the diagram is you have to connect 2 jumper wire on these 2 terminals, because this is the terminal which activates the PC's on, off or shut down, shut up switch. And here I have to connect an DC jack with some small or short wires to power the Arduino or the full circuit, and I have to put it all the components in the box for looks better, or any type of, I don't want any type of short circuit on my PC. And you have to put it the RFID sensor on the front side of the box. And this is my PC, bit of messy, and this is the power switch, and I have to identify the power switch cables and plug them out, because we don't need this switch. This is called power switch, and we don't need this switch anymore. And this is my circuit, and I have to plug the switch, power switch, and this is the power switch, and you have to connect like this. And this is the testing time. Now you can see that whenever I try to turn on like the power switch, that doesn't turn on the PC, but whenever I try to on my PC using the RFID card or tag card, the PC is turning on. And at the same way you have to turn off or shut down the PC like this. Very simple and very useful thing. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share to your friends. Have a good day, and I will upload a next video very soon. Stay awesome and stay with me. Bye bye.